Hi, this is John again. We just want to show you what we did to the locomotive the last day we ran out at Malala Train Park. The engine mount suspension on it, the bolt came undone, so we had to bring it home, and we actually Loctited the bolt and remounted it onto the engine. So we're going to show you that, and we also brought it home so we can finish the engine up for next summer. So because we're going to be painting the whole top pieces and adding detail components to the top piece, so we decided it was better to bring it home anyway. So now we'll go ahead and show you what we did on the truck for the motor mount. And you'll notice there's 2 springs on a bolt with a nut, and basically that whole the bolt actually came out. It unscrewed because of so many times of pulsating forward. It actually unscrewed itself, and then the motor hit the rail and we had to push it back into the engine, and we also had to do some repair work on some of the wires. So that's it for this video. We'll see what is next time. It'll probably be more about our layout update. Talk to you later.